Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to increase FPS in Fortnite on a low-end PC. I show you guys how to do it. First step, you just need to change in-game settings. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard escape key and go to settings. In video settings, you just need to change window mode to full screen and rendering mode, set this to performance. Frame rate, set this to ultimated, and vsync, turn it off. Resolution, you can set it to the lowest resolution. Scroll down. Motion blur, turn it off. Scroll down. 3D resolution, set this to 80 and scroll down. Dynamic 3D resolution, turn it off. 98 visualized geometry, turn it off. Shadows, turn it off. Global illumination, turn it off. Reflections, turn it off. View distance, set to near. Texture, set it to low. Effects, set it to low. Post processing, set it to low. And after doing this, go to this gear icon, and in here you need to change the matchmaking region to the lowest pink. In my case, Asia is the lowest pink I have. After changing it, you just need to scroll down. Under extra game settings, you can able to see the fave minimum and fave maximum. You just need to set this to lowest. This doesn't make graphics any problems, guys. Lowering fave should give us more FPS. After doing this, select apply to save changes and select the restart now option and restart the game. The second step is to change config settings. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In here, you need to find the Fortnite game folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows client folder. In here, you need to find game user settings. Right click on it and select open with and select notepad. In here, you need to scroll down. You can able to see B show grass. You just need to change this to false. If it is true, then you just need to change it to false, and you just need to scroll down. In scalability groups, you just need to change all these values to 0 except resolution quality. Just change it to 0. After doing this, select a file and select save, and after saving it, just close stuff here. Now let's move on to the third step, guys. Just close stuff here. The third step, you just need to open up Epic Games and click on the three dot icon next to the Fortnite, and you just need to select options. In here, you need to uncheck everything listed over here, guys. Just uncheck everything except the required file. Just check mark it, and other things uncheck it. After doing this, select apply to save changes. Now you are ready to play the game, guys. Just launch the game and you can enjoy the game with more FPS. I hope this video helped you, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.